Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 16th, 2021, and we sent out a community post, as we always do, over the last couple of weeks, asking and trying to gauge on which particular stock you want to see price prediction for. And for yesterday, the choices were ChargePoint, Skills, Li Auto, or Palantir. And you guys can see 58% of all the votes received wanted to see a stock price prediction for Palantir. So guess what? We're going to give y'all a stock price prediction in the market for Palantir in anticipation of where we expect price to be, so we can actually win in the market and actually beat the trap at its own game. Now, the trap is the one you see on the bottom left side of my screen. He is the one that is trying to place us in some very bad positions so that he can win and we can lose. So we follow his footprints on the chart to ensure that we can escape from his traps as well as beat him to the price so that we can win. All right, so we're going to show you all that today for Palantir. If you appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. We're not here about that FUD. We're not here about that FOMO. We simply pay attention to the price because that is the ultimate bellwether in the market. It is the ideas as to everyone who participates. All right, so let's do this real quick. I want to give you all a very quick snapshot of the portfolio here as well. We only have 3 stocks in the portfolio right now. As of right now, 2 out of the 3 is in the green. 1 is down, which is Boeing. Pretty good. We're just want to give you all how the market has been performing on those 3 stocks which are in the portfolio. All right, so now let's go to Palantir real quick. And I wanted to show you, we did a price prediction already in the market for Palantir. Back here on, switches to the daily. Back here on the 18th of February, we expected the market in Palantir to go lower in price. And initially it didn't. The market came up there towards that restriction area of $30, which is not by coincidence. That is where we have our ultimate restriction price, right there around $30. We knew that. And immediately on the 19th and then again on the 22nd of February, we saw the price in Palantir come right back down. And we bounced the market right here on support. So we actually called the market right there. We expected the market in Palantir to go lower in price all the way back here on the 18th of February. So if anything, that was 17.73% profitability into the market. Excellent job. We read the market. We called the market in anticipation to see this price go lower in Palantir, and it did. So now that is over, that is done, and let's get in position on the next anticipated price movement. So now the first question that we need to try to answer is, okay, is the market in Palantir still trading in a channel? So far, yes, it is. So just like we've seen the market in Palantir come in during the month of November into December, we broke out. And now we're coming right back into the channel. So you would expect the market to hold this range until we see it break down, or the market will come and break out. That's the only option we have on the table in this particular moment for Palantir. All right, so let's take this away. Now, you guys can even see on the daily time frame, we're still seeing some indications of market strength coming through for Palantir. We're seeing seemingly almost every day the market closing higher than the previous low, which is a good thing. Okay, so yes, we're seeing strength in the midst of Palantir trading in the channel of $30 as restriction, all the way back down here towards 21 as support. Now I want to swing this over to a 3-day time frame, and actually I like what's going on in the market in Palantir on the 3-day time frame. We have another area of support that adds more cushion to the price being elevated in Palantir, which is around $24. So we have $21 or $21.20 as the first area of support. The second one is 24. Excellent. So long as that price trades above those 2 areas of support, Palantir is going to continue to trade in the channel, and the prospect of higher price is still on the table. What about on the 5-day time frame? So far, so good. If anything, we're going to maintain the trading in Palantir between our 2 lines on the chart. here we are on a weekly time frame. I like what's going on a weekly time frame in Palantir as well. As the market in Palantir was dropping in price, so was the volume, which lets us know that whoever was selling Palantir up here while it was just trading around $34, $36 is now out the market. They're out the way. And now we're kind of see this market transition over into a buyer's market to where we're seeing more people seeing the price as attractive. So I like what's been going on the 3-day time frame, even on the weekly time frame in the market in Palantir. Okay, so let's do this real quick. Currently, the monthly time frame in the market in Palantir looks well as well too. In order for us to really see this market at best, the forecast will be for Palantir to continue to trade in between our lines from a daily perspective. Okay, in the next 15 days, 10 hours, if we close towards the high of this monthly price bar, then yeah, I will be looking for the market to try to test $30 again for restriction to see more selling right there around $30. So let's do this real quick. I'm going to go ahead and put in a prediction into the market for Palantir to expect the market to go higher in price. We've identified that $24 is support, right? I'm going to bring it down to around $23.50 for support. And we're going to hit that restriction area around $30 again, right? So this is what we're seeing on a daily basis into the market in Palantir. At least on a 3-day time frame, and even on a weekly, I could definitely expect this market in Palantir to go higher in price. We have to overcome, in order for us to tag out at $30, we'll have to see this market in Palantir break $28.15. So we'll TP some of that money off the table right there around $28.15 in Palantir. Okay. So $28.15 will be about what? Let's see. 5.25% movement from where the market closed on yesterday. It's pretty good. It's decent, but we're still expecting at least some strength, some momentum to come into the market in Palantir. And that's it. I mean, it's relatively simple to see and understand once you know how to call the markets. So this is our newest prediction into the market in Palantir. We're expecting some strength to come into the market. And now it's your turn. What is your price prediction into the market in Palantir? I would say in the next 3 weeks, where do you expect price to be? Do you think the price is going to be higher than where we are today? Do you think we're going to be lower? You need to make sure that you are there so that you can have your bag open and ready and capitalize on this money and take it right back from the trap. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.